Hi friends, welcome to Tutorial Days. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can know the template part, how you can enable to check the template part. For example, for each section there is HTML file from where these elements are coming. For example, this is separate file, this is separate file, and this one is also separate file. So if you want to know, particularly this video is for developers, so if you want to know from where, from which html file this section is coming, so it is possible in Magento. So I will show you how to enable this through admin section. So now let's go to admins first, and here go to dashboard first, and then you need to go to system. Sorry, I have to first log in. So log into your admin, and then go to system, not system actually. You go to stores, and then configuration, and inside configuration there is an option called advanced, and after advanced you click on developer. This, click on this developer. After this, click on debug, this one. Okay, after clicking debug, you just select here yes, and this one is enable template path hints for storefront, enable path hints for URL parameter. So these two I'm just going to enable in case you are working on admin part also. In that case you can enable this one also. Okay, that's it. And so let me recap once again. So you go to stores and then configuration. After that you click on this developer mode, and then click on debug, and after that you just select yes. That's it. And now let's click on config. Once this is done, the other thing which you need to do is to clear the cache. So what I'll do, just click here, and then plus Magento cache. Now we will check where these files are located. Now if you go to home page, but first let the cache be deleted. Okay, so the cache is now cleared. Now let's go here, and then what you have to do, if you refresh, nothing, there is nothing to show. So what you will have to do, just write here question mark, and then so this is the code you need to enable here. So you can see, so these are, there are so many html file you can see. For example, if you want to know where this logo is located, then you can see this complete path. So where is it? Vendor, Magento, module theme, then view, front end, templates, html, header, logo. So this is complete path where you can see where this header, this logo is located. So if you go to here, so this is Magento vendor, this is vendor, and then Magento. So let me check going there. So file manager, so the project name is ng2, and then vendor, then Magento, this one, and then what is the name of the file? Module theme, module theme. So now go to module theme, and module theme. Yeah, so this is the folder, module theme, and then view, inside that front end, and then let's check here, front end, and then templates, then HTML, templates, then HTML, and then inside this I think header, HTML, then header, and finally the logo is hiding itself here. So this is our logo. If I just write here LL and then I will clear cache, and yes, if I refresh then you can see there is word LL. So that means what? This is being detected here. So guys, if you need to directly edit going into the HTML file, PHTML file, then you can locate easily through this process. So hope this video is useful for you, and in case still you have not subscribed this channel, then I request you to please subscribe and also stay connected to check the next video. Thanks for watching.